So if these graphs are going to have horizontal tangents, then that means the instantaneous slope should be equal to 0. So let's take a derivative of each of them. The derivative of tangent of x is secant squared x, and the derivative of cotangent x is negative cosecant squared x. Okay, so if they're going to have horizontal tangents, then we should be able to plug in 0 and solve. So I plugged in 0 in for the derivative. But secant squared x, that's the same thing as 1 over cosine squared x. Okay, and so is there ever a possibility, is there ever a number you can plug in to make this equal 0? Right? No matter what you plug in, cosine, you can get cosine to be -1, you can get cosine to be +1, but it's going to be squared, so it'll always be between 0 and 1. There's no number that will cause 1 divided by that number to equal 0, right? This isn't possible. 1 over x can never equal 0. So this shows that tangent of x has no horizontal tangents, because if you take the derivative and set the derivative equal to 0, there's no solution. We can use the same logic over here. So this is -1 over sine squared x. I took a derivative, I put 0 in for the derivative. There's no way to make this equal to 0. So that's how you can show that there's no horizontal tangents.